All right, guys, very good morning. Let's begin with our today's alumni meet. We'll start inviting recently placed candidates one by one, and we will understand all the interview questions. Also, you can call our support number of Pankaj. 1 minute, hold on. Yeah, you can call the support number of Pankaj Sir Academy in case you wish to talk to any of our placed candidate. So 9632629033 or 455. So without wasting time, guys, let's invite the candidates one by one. The first candidate I would invite is Asiya. Very good morning, Asiya.
Good morning, sir. Hello, good morning, sir. Good morning to everyone.
Yeah, very good morning. So I got to know that you, your friend, Sabia and Priyanka.
Yes, Priya.
Priya. All
Yes.
of them, they want to join together.
Yes, we three are here at one place.
So can you just switch on the camera?
Hello, sir. Good morning, sir.
Yeah, very good morning.
Sir, sorry, sir. We're not comfortable with this.
Okay, right. So must be all right. That's accepted. No problem. Let's begin with your introduction, Asiya. From which place you are? What's your qualification? Year of pass out? Percentage?
Yes, sir. My name is Asiya Bashir. I am from Jammu and Kashmir. I have done my MCA in the year 2021. And my percentage is 82% in the MCA.
Okay. So from Jammu and Kashmir, we have Asiya here. Priya, let's start with your introduction because I know all three of you are friends.
Yes, sir. First of all, good morning, sir, and good morning, everyone. Yes, sir. Myself Priya, and basically I am from Bihar, and yeah, I have done my BTech in 2021, and sir, my percentage was 20%.
Okay. Sabia, please.
Hello, everyone.
Yeah.
Hello everyone, good morning. I'm Sabia. Basically, I'm from Kashmir, and I had completed my computer degree in the year 2021 with the percentage of 84%.
Right. So let's start with the details. Companies you have got placed in, highest and lowest package, one by one. Asiya, Priya, Sabia. Please, all of you, one by one, mention that.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I got placed in the three companies. One is Metrostream, Temenos, and another is Newgen. And my lowest package is 4 LPA, and my highest package is 7.5 LPA.
Yeah, Priya, about your highest and lowest packages.
Yes, sir. I have placed in three companies. First, sir, Global Logic, and sir, Capgemini and Newgen. And sir, my lowest package is sir 5.8, and sir, my highest package is 7.
Okay. Next candidate, Sabia.
Okay, sir. I had placed in 4 companies, and my lowest package is 6 LPA. My highest package is 8 LPA, sir.
Right, excellent. Now, one by one, we will take interview. Let's ask them all the interview questions what they have come across.
Sir, wait a second, sir. Can you join from another phone, sir? Because audio is not clear.
Whose my audio is not clear?
No, sir. Because this phone has some defect.
Okay. Right. Sure. Just 1 minute, guys. Okay, they are rejoining us from a different phone. There is some audio problem at their end.
Sir, hello, Sabia Jan.
Huh. Hello.
Sir, Sabia Jan is unable to unmute. Please allow her.
Allow her. Okay, what's the
Sir,
display name? Sabia.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sabiya Jan.
Okay. Yeah, please unmute yourself, Sabia. Yeah, keep the other mobile away.
Okay, sure, sir.
Okay. I think now everything clear.
Yes, sir.
Right. So let's start with interview questions. Asiya, let's firstly start with you, then Priya. What all questions did you get? And then Sabia.
Okay, sir. First, every company is asking about the core Java, for OOPS concepts. Every company asks this question for basic OOPS concepts. And after that, for Java 8 features are very necessary. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Java 8 features, every company is asking about a difference between lambdas and lambdas expression and functional interface. This question is a very necessary difference between how these two are related to each other, lambdas expression and functional interfaces. And difference between abstract class and interfaces. This is also very important. Every company is asking this question, and we all three get this question. Abstract class and interface, and collections are very important. Difference between array list and linked list, difference between array and array list, and difference between hash table, hash map, and hash set. Internal working of hash map, hashing technique, what is hash code, and another question, what is stream APIs. uh, these questions are very important. We all three get these questions. And in Spring Boot, annotation, all annotations are very important. Everyone is asking about annotations, and they are
Little
asking
slowly,
yes.
because the audience want to listen to the questions little slowly.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, sure, sir. What I say, in core Java, for basic OOPS concepts, everyone is asking for basic OOPS concepts, and after that, there are
So which all oops concept did they ask you? Let me just keep interacting with you.
what is
So
yes, sir. What is inheritance? What is polymorphism? What is abstraction? These concepts, what's encapsulation, and give example of each four concepts. This is important. And after that, they are asking for Java 8, in Java 8 features, they are asking a different what is a lambda's expression, and difference between lambda's expression, yes, and functional interface.
okay, so difference between lambda's expression, functional interface, stream API, they have asked them the question. What questions on stream API did you get?
Sir, they said what are only stream APIs? Why do you use stream APIs? Like we said, we are not, we did not get that topic, and we are not good that topic. We said we are not good at stream APIs. Then they said only tell definition.
Okay, so they just asked you the definition and they were okay with that.
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. So usually you get a question here, stream API, where have you used in your projects? This is
Yes.
something very frequently people have been getting the question. Okay. So let's move ahead further. Advanced Java web technologies. What all questions did you get?
Sir, annotations. Everyone is asking about Spring Boot annotations and Hibernate annotations. These questions are in every company we get these questions annotations and difference between JPA and Hibernate. What is JPA and Hibernate? And yes, sir. What are
Okay.
web services? What are microservices?
Right. So what are microservices? Spring Boot, all annotations like
Yes.
@autowired, @component, @service. Nowadays, one question many students are telling, what uh, which are stereotype annotations they are asking. The stereotype annotations are @component, @service.
Yes,
These two you can specify.
yes, sir. At the Spring Boot.
What they're asking?
At the rate Spring Boot, from which a Spring Boot project get started. And
Yes.
this question is necessary at the rate Spring Boot, and they are asking about at the rate qualifier annotation also.
Okay. Spring Boot application annotation.
Yes, sir.
That's the place from where project execution starts in Spring Boot. That's what she's trying to tell. And @qualifier annotation. Okay. Then.
Yes, sir. And in project they said which type of collection you use in your project.
So which type of collection have you used? List. Correct.
Yes.
So which collection have you used in your project? One of the most common one in Spring Boot is list collection. From which batch you are? A lot of people want to know that from which batch you are. When
18
did you
Jan.
come? Huh?
18 Jan batch.
Jan 18th batch.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Jan 18th batch they are from. Year of pass out they are asking.
Sir, 2021.
2021.
Yes, sir. But me and Sabia got selected as a fresher, and
Okay,
we joined
right.
as a fresher.
So tell me one thing. In threads, did you get any questions?
Yes, sir. In threads, we get many questions.
Like what questions did you get in threads?
Sir, Sabia will tell. She get those questions about threads.
No, we did not get it. Your voice was breaking.
Hello, sir.
Yeah. What questions did you get in threads?
Sir, only I get the questions from third Sabia.
कौन से questions? What questions did you get?
I got third life cycle. And
Thread. Okay,
yes.
1 minute. I'll also repeat the question for audience. Thread life cycle. She got the question. Then.
And also I got the question like weight and sleep difference. Notify all difference.
Notify all difference. Weight, sleep difference. Okay.
And the concept of thread.
Okay, what is concept of thread? Why thread is required? Okay.
And thread pool.
And thread pool.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any questions related to collection?
Yes, in every interview, I had appeared in 5 interviews. And every company is asking about collection, sir. Every company, and my request to every student learns collection is very carefully. That is what you are about to, which makes you able to clear the interview. Like in every interview, I got the question collection, simply collection, and after that, how can you get the elements?
how can you add the elements? So what is the best technique in collection you used? Difference between list and set, difference between array list and linked list, difference between hash map, hash table, internal working of a hash map, hash code method. Also, they used to ask so many questions like hash table, hash map. Many students got confused there. Is this hash map, sorry, map, is it the sub interface of a collection or not? Many students got confused there, and I first time I was not clear with this concept. After that, I go through the classes again, repeated the classes, and I cleared that. And many interviewer, I was asked many times do some programs and collections like get this number, sort the list, sort this, and so on. And
Okay.
mostly I got questions on inheritance. I was asked to make a project program using inheritance, use a constructors in inheritance, use this and super keyword using inheritance in a single program. And
Okay. Right.
thanks
So
to
I
you,
will
sir.
just explain what all she has said. Again, I'll get back to her as students want to know the questions. She was telling collection is very, very important and students have to be prepared with it. Hash map, hash table, how do you add an element to a collection? How do you read the data from a collection? These are all the things. They have also asked her, sometimes to write the program like sort a collection. Now to sort a collection, we can go with stream API. Okay. And then they've also asked questions to her. Apart from this is some inheritance program they told her, okay, to write down, okay, type the code and show. Right. So when did you get placed? I think I met them last week in my office.
Yes, sir. Sir, we got firstly the basic thing about is the most interesting thing about our group is that we got placed in the first interview. We
All
cleared the
three.
first interview. Yes, sir.
Okay.
So we got placed in June, starting 5th June. But I had joined in Global Logic, but I resigned there because I got selected as fresher in one
Yeah.
company. So I am about to join there.
What is your package in your current company? Can you tell?
So
Because people are asking.
it is 610 CTC.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
6,10,000.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Any logical programs they should focus on?
Yes, sir. They asked me to reverse the string.
Reverse
When
a given string, write a
Yes,
program. Okay.
yes, sir. Without using a string buffer, string builder method.
Okay. Without
So,
using string builder method and string buffer. You have to use
yes,
string class and reverse a given string. Huh.
yes, sir. And asked me to swap elements without using third variable.
Swapping of elements without using third variable.
And they also asked about the sorting methods like bubble sort, quick sort.
Okay. Bubble sort, quick sort, they have asked her.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And my first interview was with the TCL, first round TCL. But thanks to you, sir, because of your what you taught us, I had cleared the interview first round. After that, I refused to give the second round because I am comfortable with what I have.
Okay. Right. Excellent. So, any questions on SQL did you get?
Yes, many of the questions like views, sorting, storing.
CRED operations, pivos, joiners are very important. And store, everyone asking about what is store procedure.
Stored procedures.
Okay. So
Difference.
joins, CRUD operations, that is something very important.
Yes.
And what else you said?
Difference
Sir,
between delete and truncate. Everyone is asking this.
Sir,
Difference
I
between.
was asked to do many SQL queries like they asked to share the screen, and after that we need to do the queries to execute the queries. They asked me to get the 27th element. Maximum salary, 27th maximum salary, and also they asked about the join us in SQL. They asked about once the interviewer in Newgen asked me to update and delete the table and delete the elements in the table. Many of the questions in SQL also.
So update, delete, then they've asked them question, get the 27th salary in the table. So how do you do this?
Sir,
I think you
firstly,
can sort.
Sir, I see, what I say, sort it in the ascending order using the limit to 27. After that, I got the first element.
Excellent. That is the answer. You sort it by putting a limit 27, and then once you sort that, if it is in ascending order, the
Yes,
first record will be on the top, and you get the 27th max salary. Correct. Okay. So any advices you want to give it to your juniors, all three of you?
Yes, sir, many of the advices. Sir, one most important thing I want to share with the student is like in this advanced Java. Firstly, in core Java, they asked about the object class methods. Object class methods where we make less focus. So be clear with this, and also they asked about the opus. They asked about the opus concepts mostly, and they asked about mostly the difference between overriding and overloading, and they asked about the difference between interface and abstract class mostly, and the exception handling also, and in and stream APIs.
In exceptions, throw and throws is very important. They said what difference between throw and throws.
And
Exception hierarchy is very important.
And also these questions like final, finalize, and finally keywords.
So why we use interface?
And in
Okay.
this advanced Java, they asked about a difference between JPA and Hibernate. Why we use Hibernate? If we have, if we can make a connection between database and this Java program in Spring Boot, why we use Hibernate? What is the use of this? How we map databases?
Hibernate
and so on. And in this like
And
TCL.
difference between JDK and JVM. This
sir.
question we all get.
In
JDK, JVM, and JRE difference.
And in LCL, I got the question JIT
Git compiler.
also. And
Git.
yes, sir. And qualifiers also, comparable, comparator difference.
Is most important for interview purpose.
And another thing, equal to and equals method, difference between these two.
Agile is also important.
Okay.
And in Newgen, we got
Agile questions also.
we got the questions related agile also in Newgen second round.
Okay. So what questions in Agile they asked you?
They asked about what is sprint. How many team members you have in your project, and so on.
Also important
How you share the code with your team members, Git
Okay.
and GitHub. Yes, sir.
Yeah, what was daily schedule?
Another
How was
question
allocation there? This question is also important.
Yes, what was daily schedule? How was work allocation done in your company?
Yeah, this question team structure.
Why we use microservices? Once I got the question, if one microservice is down and we need to get the data from, or we need to communicate 3 microservices, but one microservice is down. What should we have? What should we do that time? But I was not clear with this, so I
Sometimes Hibernate mapping
sorry.
also was.
Right, so we have three friends, okay, Asiya, Priya, Sabia, all three of them, they got placed in the very first interview. So that was one thing, which I liked it. The next thing is they had all three of them the same frequency. They studied together, they practiced hard, and that's the reason we could see that all three are placed together.
Yes.
Right. So thank you so much, okay, all three of you, joining us and giving all these important interview questions. Also, we'll take the PDF file from them, and I will share it with the students studying here.
Thank you, sir. It is all because of you, sir.
Most welcome, and take care. Okay, right? Yeah, keep progressing, keep learning. Take care. Bye bye.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Let's invite. So we had three people together. Now we have the next candidate for the day, Sahil. Very good morning, Sahil.
Hello, good morning, sir.
Very good morning, Sahil. Let's start with your introduction, Sahil. What's your qualification, year of pass out? Yeah, there you go. So I'm always happy to see my students on camera. Let's start, Sahil.
First of all, I want to touch your feet, sir.
God bless you. God bless you.
Because of you, I am here today. Because my life is a very roller coaster thing.
Right. So why roller coaster thing, Sahil?
I have 4 years of gap, sir, in my education.
Okay.
Yeah, so I have completed my diploma in 2017. I joined my diploma in 2011, but I completed it on 2017. Then I got admitted in BE. Gap in BE. Then I successfully passed out in.
तो ये audio थोड़ा low हो चुका है. The audio is on the lower side. I think the jack or mics.
Hello, कैसा गया पारन?
Yeah.
Some issues there, sir.
No. I think the jack. There's a problem. The jack. You can just reset that. Yeah. Yeah.
Hello, now, sir.
Yeah. Now fine. Yeah.
Yeah, it has been a hell of experience till now.
Right. So you took almost 7 years to finish your diploma.
Yeah,
So what I heard. Then you joined BTech
yeah,
2017.
yeah,
So 2021 you completed BTech
yeah. From mechanical background.
from mechanical background.
Yeah.
So from which place you are, Sahib?
I'm from Amravati, sir, Maharashtra, nearby Nagpur.
Wow. So I have been seeing a lot of people from in and around Nagpur
Yeah.
joining me actually.
Yes.
Okay. So you were an online attendee.
Yeah,
Sahib.
sir, online attendee. My friend's friend was your student, Savarkar. He gave 50 interviews. I hope you remember him.
Yeah. I would say
Kunal-
but
Kunal
it's difficult
Savarkar.
to remember. Yeah, if I see the candidate, then I would immediately remember that he's my student.
So from him, I got your reference. Means before joining any course, I was thinking to join testing. 2 months I had given a thought to join a testing, this and that. Then I had a call with Savarkar. He told me everything about you. Then I joined one of your alumni meet. Then I was like, this is it. This is the guy I want to, be under him, like Pankaj Sir. And from that day only, sir, I had confidence in you that if means anyone can make me work, so this is the guy.
Right. Thank you so much, Sahil. So now back to all important questions.
Yeah.
Firstly, we will try to know which all companies Sahil has got placed in, his highest package, lowest package, and importantly is the questions.
Yeah, sir,
Because these questions are going to help all the students studying here.
Yeah, sir.
Let's start, Sahil.
Sir, I gave 9 interviews. From that, I have selected in 6 companies. Like one is TCS Nagpur, TCS Chennai, then Kia.ai, then Panamax Infotech, then Newgen, then Noble Tribe.
Right. Okay, so his accuracy was good. 9 interviews, failed only in three, and
Yeah,
he got
sir.
6 offers.
Yeah.
Right. So
And
I think he has really practiced
and
well.
sir, whatever you used to tell, like practice 10 time, I used to do that 10 time only.
Right. Very nice. See, I feel very happy, when candidates actually follow exactly what's been told, because that's where the impact gets created more,
Yes,
when
sir.
you're learning.
Yeah.
So we keep telling this, advanced class. You build a login page. I build a login page. After the class, you practice that 10 times. Right.
Yeah. Yeah, sir. Every day, sir. Means
Okay.
all of means we were friends for like we met online only on the app. So we 5 were like together all the time on phone calls and everything. Means every day we used to chat. It was like we are attending offline class only. So the bonding was good.
Okay.
Yeah, and every day we used to take questions in the evening every day without missing any day. We used to means we used to communicate like whatever sir has taught today, this and that. We used to counter question each other like this.
Right.
So that is very important. What I feel.
Yeah. So staying in a group,
Yeah.
discussing about the subject, asking questions,
Yes.
practicing. So this will really help you, because many batches have seen this. Just before talking to Sahil, three more people with whom I was discussing, it was a group where they studied together, and you could see they all could get placed together.
Yeah.
So group what you make is very important while you're studying. That's
Yes, sir.
very true.
Yeah.
Packages, Sahil, what's your highest
Sir,
and
my
lowest package?
highest packages is 7.2, and my lowest was 4.
Right. So let's start with the question, Sahil, now without
Okay.
wasting
Okay.
time. So you guide us now, all of us. Please tell us what all questions are important. Slowly, one by one. We have a lot of time,
Mhm.
okay, to listen to you. So please tell us everything.
I will not go into means regular questions, sir, because everybody know
No,
what
you
are the
tell
regular
everything,
questions.
Sahil. Tell everything.
Sir, I have 72 questions.
No,
So
no. I mean to say we
what
have a
are
lot of time.
important?
No problem. You take your time. We are all here to listen to you.
Okay, so the protocols in Java, they asked me. Then how to achieve microservices in Java. Then microservices architecture in Java. So I got lots of question on J2EE, sir. My interview was totally based on J2EE. They were digging into that. Everyone used to dig into that only. Least question I was getting from core Java.
So what questions you were getting in advanced Java, Sahil?
These are how to achieve microservices in Java, microservices architecture in Java, Spring Boot components, data protocol in Java, then microservices tools, then Hibernate cache level, then a lazy loading, eager loading, types of bean, what is JSON, then remote interface, then types of web services. Then they asked me where file and jar file. That was a very strange question. Then what is Hibernate? What is a Spring IOC? Bean lifecycle? What is a stereotype? Many of the interviewer asked me about this. What is stereotype and what are the component comes under stereotype? Then starter tag, stream API, comparator versus comparable, Java 8 features, then MVC architecture. Means they were asking in detail regarding to MVC architecture, like everything. And in terms of project, one of the interviewer asked me everything, like I have created the project verbally in front of him. He was asking everything, what kinds of methods were there, what you used to do, then what used to happen by doing this, by doing that. So it was like that. Then Pojo class, agile process. They asked me everything regarding to agile process in one of the interview. Then yeah, sir, means from J2EE, these were the questions what I feel.
Right. So tell us all the questions, what you have noted. Uh, we just want to know that starting from core Java, advanced Java.
Okay, so how does the thread work in background of Java? Boilerplate code, Spring versus Spring Boot, JIT in Java, just in time. Then singleton class in Java, hash map versus hash table, use of constructor in Java. Then how to store key value pair in hash map. Then how to find duplicate character in string using Java. Then first non-repeating character from the string and second non-repeating character from the string. Then
First, repeated character in the
and
given string,
yeah,
then give me non-repeated character
non-repeating.
in the given string.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then find the repetitive string dynamically. Like yeah, so that it was a means there are two types of question to this. First, we just give like if there is A B C D E F G H, and if we give A, then it will give only one. That A is repeating one time only. And there is another approach also, like dynamically. We can say like A is repeating how many times, B is repeating how many times. Like this. This is also a very important question. Then aggregate method, daemon thread, uh, practical implementation of marker interface, then array list, hash table, hashing technique, vector versus array list, hash map versus hash table, array list versus linked list. Then how do we create object in Spring Boot? Then annotations, controller, repository, auto-wire, component, request param, REST controller, post mapping, delete mapping, put mapping, request body, qualifier, at the rate Spring Boot application. Then which annotations comes under a stereotype? Then how do we handle exceptions in Java? Threads, everything related to thread, comparator versus comparable. Then types of Java 8 feature you have used in your uh, project, how to handle exception in Spring Boot. Then finally, finalize keyword, difference between throw and throws, Spring Buffer versus Spring Builder. Then servlet lifecycle, thread lifecycle, thread pool, thread synchronization, mutable and immutable. Then how to find non-repeating character from a string, Pojo class. Then types of variable in Java, oops concept. In oops concept, everybody wants to hear what are the type. Then, but they want to know everything regarded to polymorphism, sir. They are just interested in polymorphism. Then access specifiers, Spring constant pool, abstract class, interface versus abstract class, serialization, deserialization, internal working of hash map, internal working of hash table, volatile keyword, transient keyword, and a step to create immutable class, sir. These are the all questions.
Right. So we're very happy with patience. Slowly, Sahil has explained all the questions, and we will also take the PDF from
Yeah.
Sahil, and I will give it to you people. So don't worry about that. Whatever questions, I think has written down some 70 questions he's telling.
Yeah, 70, 72 questions, sir.
Yeah, 70 plus questions he has.
Yeah.
All that 70 plus questions, we will take it from him and I will share it to the students. Thank you so much, Sahil, for joining us and very happy to see you here on my
Yeah,
show.
sir.
Any advices you want to give it to your juniors before I
S-
end this show?
lots of advices are there, sir. But just trust Pankaj, sir. Whatever he says. If he says jump from the window, you should jump from the window. So it is like that only. And don't listen to anyone. Just do what you feel and what Pankaj sir says you to do. Just that is enough. And have confidence in yourself. Just this is what I want to say.
Right. Thank you once again, and
Thank you, sir.
we will catch up the next alumni meet 11 a.m. with some more students, some more interview questions, and that should give us confidence. Bye bye.